Hello! Welcome again sa Kusina ni Mrs. O. And today, we're doing a very simple dish. It's actually beef teriyaki, no? Homemade. So, normally, we're gonna use sugar, but let me just see. I don't know kung meron kayong mirin. So, you can buy it in any store. Sa mga Korean store, I think they have. So, here, it's pretty simple. Bumili lang ako ng beef sukiyaki cut. So, when you say sukiyaki cut manipis, ginawa ko kasi siyang sukiyaki cut para siguradong malambot. Kasi hindi naman siya imported. It's local meat. Explain ko. Baka i-accuse ninyo ako, discriminatory ako. Bakit mas malambot ang karne abroad? Okay? So, ang unang sagot dyan kasi, pag sa US, may standardization sila. Ibig sabihin, at 18 months, kinakatay na nila yung karne. After nila ikatay yung baka, merong nag-grade. Kung US Certified Angus, Prime, or Select, or Choice, merong nag-grade. Ibig sabihin, there's a body of people who actually estimate to look at it. And same with Australia. Yung difference kasi sa atin, walang standard kung kailan kakatay ng karne. So normally, ang ibang magsasaka natin, or wala pa akong alam at this point, so parang siguro matagal na akong ginututuro sa culinary school, but there's no such standards yet. So basically, there are some provinces, maybe meron in the provincial level, but in terms yung national na Department of Agriculture, wala pa akong nakikitang guidelines. So ibig sabihin, may iba, medyo kinakati nila pag 30 months, 20 months, 18 months, iba-iba. Kaya yung lambot ng karne, hindi siya standardized. So para lang clear na baka ma-misquote ako na sinabi just because it's local, baka mamaya hindi malambot. It's like that. You cannot guarantee because nga hindi pa siya standardized. Okay? So, now, I'm just gonna put 1/8 cup. Okay? Kasi, hindi naman siya ganun ka dami. Okay. And then some garlic. Tapos, isosote lang natin siya. So, ito, hindi siya equal. So, it's just like about a tablespoon of mirin. Okay. Tapos, the sugar. So, there. The sugar is important because if you notice, siya yung magbibigay ng shine sa beef. And then, I'm just gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. And pepper. So, I'm just gonna mix it up. So, pwede mo itong gawin the day before. Gusto mo. And then, basically, yun na siya. Ganun siya kadali. And then, mamasahiin lang natin. Dapat pala pinapakita mo sa video na nagugas ko ng kamay. Kung kakala nyo, hindi ako nagugas ng kamay. So, there. So, we'll marinate it for 30 minutes. I'm gonna use the star margarine. Ito na siya. So, para lang siyang gumagawa ng tapa. But, it's actually beef teriyaki. So, there. Very fast lang. And I'm just gonna put some more pepper. I will add more para lang hindi corny. May sauce. So, I'm just gonna add para lang may sauce tayo. Okay? Ayan, look at that. May sauce na siya. Para lang we can make a bit of sauce lang. So, I'm just cooking it, all the surfaces. Kasi sobrang manipis naman siya, so mabilis siya maluto. We're just flattening it and cooking it to make sure all surfaces are cooked. Napakadaling mo ito gawin. But, I think the critical part is the kind of beef. Diba? Yung question is, can you use pork? Definitely, yes. Actually, you can use yung nabibili natin sa Korean store. Diba? There's a lot of it. So, here. Look at that, oh. Nag-shiny siya. Kasi nga, because of the glaze. So, I'm just gonna So, ito na siya, yung glaze. No? Okay. Beef teriyaki. Kabilis-bilis. Okay.